Are you ready to open the Hard Rock hotel room with me? So basically I was given a bracelet that works as a card, the key. Let's see if it works. Oh, come in. Oh my god, look at that. Look at this modern interior. Oh my gosh. Let's see. So basically I have the front line here. I have an outer system here. Oh, this is amazing. We're in Ibiza, and you can hear the sound of the Ibiza. That's the famous club Ushuaia, and the hotel over there. Here we have a Hard Rock beach. It's right over there. And follow me for the rest. Let's go inside and see what's next. In the room, you will find this. It's a tiny little thing that reminds you that you are staying in Hard Rock Cafe. So you can or enjoy your complimentary air guitar, which is imaginal guitar, or order a real guitar in the reception and enjoy it during your stay. Definitely do that. Now for me more. Are you ready? And here. Oh my god. Look at this bathroom. With the view, that's the most beautiful bathroom that I ever seen. Look at that. I hope it has photos. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.